basic tuning of this instrument, we tune all natural notes, that is shuddha swara, at our right side, and remaining swaras like komal and tivra we tune at our left side. It's a semi-chromatic tuning, so I can show you. Normally this instrument is tuned in the D scale, that is safeddo. So from the fifth bridge, from the down, it's a fifth bridge, it's a sa. So it's a ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So it's all natural notes, all shuddha swaras, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. And if you want to play the Aroh and Avroh, that is ascending order and descending order, the stroking the first note with the left hand, then 3 rights, again left hand, then 3 rights, that is the basic tuning and playing of the natural notes. Now if you want to add some tivra or komal swaras, those are tuned at your left side. For example, I can take Malkauns. In that, ga, dha and ni, both notes are komal, all 3 notes. Remaining sa and ma, it's shuddha, it's a pa and re varjit raga. So I can play that raga as this is Malkauns raga with 3 notes komal. I can go for the Desh raga, where most of all other notes are the shuddha swaras, but we use the 2 knees, both knees, that is shuddha knee and komal knee. So in that case, I can play